Number 1, have a go. It means to try or attempt to do something.
I'll have a go at solving the puzzle. I'll have a go at solving the puzzle. She had a go at making sushi. She had a go at making sushi. Let everyone have a go during the meeting. Let everyone have a go during the meeting.
Number 2, have a good knowledge of. It means to be well-informed or well-versed in a particular subject.
He has a good knowledge of American history. He has a good knowledge of American history. You need to have a good knowledge of the law. You need to have a good knowledge of the law. She has a good knowledge of the software used. She has a good knowledge of the software used.
Number 3, have a good memory. It means to be able to remember information, experiences, or people well.
She has a good memory for faces. She has a good memory for faces. He has a good memory of his childhood. He has a good memory of his childhood. They have a good memory for details. They have a good memory for details.
Number 4, have a good relationship with. It means to maintain a positive and friendly association with someone.
She has a good relationship with her colleagues. She has a good relationship with her colleagues. I have a good relationship with my neighbors. I have a good relationship with my neighbors. He strives to have a good relationship with his students. He strives to have a good relationship with his students.
Number 5, have a good great time. It means to enjoy oneself, to have fun.
They had a great time at the party. They had a great time at the party. I hope you have a good time at the concert. I hope you have a good time at the concert. She had a good time on her vacation. She had a good time on her vacation.
Number 6, have a happy ending. It means to conclude with a positive or satisfying outcome.
The movie had a happy ending. The movie had a happy ending. Everyone loves stories that have a happy ending. Everyone loves stories that have a happy ending. Their long struggle had a happy ending. Their long struggle had a happy ending.
Number 7, have a heart attack. It means to suffer from a sudden and acute episode of heart malfunction.
He had a heart attack while gardening. He had a heart attack while gardening. She's recovering after having a heart attack. She's recovering after having a heart attack. Many people change lifestyles after having a heart attack. Many people change lifestyles after having a heart attack.
Number 8, have an impact on. It means to affect or influence someone or something significantly.
Pollution has an impact on our health. Pollution has an impact on our health. His decision had a big impact on the project. His decision had a big impact on the project. The new law will have an impact on sales. The new law will have an impact on sales.
Number 9, have the impression. It means to think or feel a certain way based on observations or experiences.
I have the impression that he's not happy. I have the impression that he's not happy. She had the impression the room was larger. She had the impression the room was larger. They had the impression it was a formal event. They had the impression it was a formal event.
Number 10. Have a job as. It means to be employed in a specific position.
He has a job as a teacher. He has a job as a teacher. She has a job as an engineer. She has a job as an engineer. They have a job as consultants. They have a job as consultants.
Number 11. Have a look. It means to inspect or examine something.
Have a look at this report, please. Have a look at this report, please. She had a look at the car before buying. She had a look at the car before buying. Can you have a look at my essay? Can you have a look at my essay?
Number 12. Have a lot of influence. It means to possess a significant power to affect people's actions, decisions, or thinking.
Media have a lot of influence on public opinion. Media have a lot of influence on public opinion. His words have a lot of influence on the team. His words have a lot of influence on the team. She has a lot of influence in the company. She has a lot of influence in the company.
Number 13. Have a match. It means to have a game or contest, often in sports.
They have a match against the champions tomorrow. They have a match against the champions tomorrow. Our team had a match last night. Our team had a match last night. Do you want to watch the match we have today? Do you want to watch the match we have today?
Number 14. Have no option. It means to be in a situation where there is no alternative choice.
I had no option but to leave early. I had no option but to leave early. They felt they had no option but to agree. They felt they had no option but to agree. She had no option other than to apologize. She had no option other than to apologize.
Number 15. Have a problem. It means to face a difficulty or an issue.
We have a problem with the car engine. We have a problem with the car engine. If you have a problem, talk to me. If you have a problem, talk to me. They always seem to have a problem with deadlines. They always seem to have a problem with deadlines.
Number 16. Have a quick snack. It means to eat a small amount of food quickly.
Let's have a quick snack before we go. Let's have a quick snack before we go. He had a quick snack during the break. He had a quick snack during the break. She likes having a quick snack after jogging. She likes having a quick snack after jogging.
Number 17. Have a smell. It means to emit an odor, often unpleasant.
The fridge has a smell, we should clean it. The fridge has a smell, we should clean it. Do you notice that this room has a smell? Do you notice that this room has a smell? Old books often have a musty smell. Old books often have a musty smell.
Number 18, have strong opinions. It means to hold definite and often forceful views on various topics.
She has strong opinions about politics. She has strong opinions about politics. They have strong opinions on education reform. They have strong opinions on education reform. He has strong opinions and often debates them. He has strong opinions and often debates them.
Number 19, have sympathy. It means to feel compassion or pity for someone else's misfortune.
I have sympathy for those affected by the storm. I have sympathy for those affected by the storm. She had sympathy for her friend's situation. She had sympathy for her friend's situation. Many people have sympathy for refugees. Many people have sympathy for refugees.
Number 20, have a taste. It means to try something to see what it's like.
Have a taste of this delicious cake. Have a taste of this delicious cake. He had a taste of scuba diving last summer. He had a taste of scuba diving last summer. She had a taste of acting in school plays. She had a taste of acting in school plays.
Number 21, have a think. It means to take time to consider or think about something carefully.
I'll have a think about your offer. I'll have a think about your offer. Let me have a think before I decide. Let me have a think before I decide. She said she'd have a think overnight. She said she'd have a think overnight.
Number 22, have the time of your life. It means to enjoy yourself very much, having a wonderful experience.
She had the time of her life at Disneyland. She had the time of her life at Disneyland. At the concert, we had the time of our lives. At the concert, we had the time of our lives. He had the time of his life on his honeymoon. He had the time of his life on his honeymoon.
Number 23, have time to. It means to have enough time available to do something.
Do you have time to grab a coffee? Do you have time to grab a coffee? I don't have time to go shopping today. I don't have time to go shopping today. She never has time to relax. She never has time to relax.
Number 24, have a try. It means to attempt to do something.
Let me have a try at solving the puzzle. Let me have a try at solving the puzzle. Have a try, you might like it. Have a try, you might like it. They all had a try at the new game. They all had a try at the new game.
Number 25, have a word. It means to speak with someone briefly.
Can I have a word with you in private? Can I have a word with you in private? He had a word with her about the project. He had a word with her about the project. The teacher wants to have a word with you. The teacher wants to have a word with you.